what you do is you get the table all the way down, just about all the way down, as far as it'll go. Second thing is you need a headrest that creates a level spine. This one's pretty good, but I would just maybe drop that a little bit so that from his crown down to his tail, you want to see that it's in a straight line. Then what you do is you take this hand and you ask him to grab the table. What you want is to try to create a straight line between the ear, shoulder, hip, and feet. The knees can be bent just a little bit, but you got to have a straight line here, and they need to be about 6 inches from the edge of the table when you do this. I'm going to pick this one up, I'm going to flex it, and then I'm going to palpate. So right about there I start to feel some motion at L5S1, so that's as high as his leg needs to go. Then I'm going to put my hand on his hip, like this, because if I don't, he's going to roll this way the moment I take this hand off the table. So I can take this hand off, and I can stick it there, and then I can use my leg to stop him from rolling, and or my hand, and then I need to pull that arm out. So if I can reach it, some people are short. Like if I was doing a short person, I could just grab the arm and pull it. I can't on him. So I have to dismount and come up here. So what you do is you pull the shoulder out. Now, look, I can let go. I don't have to worry about this hip anymore. If I didn't pull the shoulder out, I'd have to worry about the hip. So I can let that go, and now I can grab this guy, and I'm going to rotate him. So what you do is you just get this under here like this, you bring your eyes up, and you stand. And notice I'm going to pull him towards me a little bit so that he is still at the edge of the table, okay? And then what you want to do is get these hands here like this, heads turned over. I'm going to work my way back here, and then I'm going to place my hand at the level I'm going to manipulate, and then my fingertips are on the transverse process to the right, but they can also be underneath this way. So I'm going to go here on top. I'm going to place my hand down. This left leg is still blocking this, so if I want more flexion, I just push with my leg. If I want to get that a little more open, and I'm going to turn him over. My right foot's planted, my left foot's going to come up like this, so that now my knee is on his bottom leg, and my foot is hanging over his knee on this side. And then I have a couple of options up here. One option is to take this hand and put it here to block like that. I can put this down and just put my hand here. That works just fine as well. I have to take the slack up in the tissue there, and then the next thing I need to do is I need to pull him all the way over to here. Little push, little pull, breathe in, breathe out, and I'm going to lean, lean, lean. Sometimes you don't need to thrust. Lean, 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 lean. And then the push comes from there. It's this bottom leg and this hand together. There was the other one. So this foot, this hand, out, push, kick, same time. So this leg, this hand, unrotate yourself slightly so I don't hurt you. This hand, right, on the contact, and this foot at the same time are going to take his pelvis and rapidly turn it this way, while this is all being stabilized up top. It was comfortable, yes? Mm-hmm. There's nothing uncomfortable about the technique.